Alright, so we stopped by to this gas station over here. Here's a Rheem high efficiency air conditioner. Alright, this one's from 1999, it's a 5-ton. See, that data manufacturer is illegible, but this is from the 6th week of 1999. It's pretty much a good working unit. Here's the refrigerator component. Kramer. Here's another unit right here. This might be a refrigerator component. R404A refrigerant. See, there are more units back here. No, there isn't. But yeah, it's just a 1999 Rheem air conditioner and 2 refrigerator components at a gas station. So yeah, I guess over and out.